What is the domain of the function? Now the domain is a set of all x values. Okay, so let's start at the origin. Okay, the point 0, 0 is the origin. Let's come over here to this point. Okay, go 1 to the left, so the value of x is going to change to a -1. Okay, we're going to go up 1, so now the y is going to change to a +1 here. As we move up here, we have a 1. Move up again, it changes to a 2. Move up again, I'm at 3. So this is the point, -1, 1 to the left and up 3. 1 to the left, that's what the -1 means, and you're up 3. So the domain has to do with the set of all values of x. And one of the values of x is -1. Okay? -1 is a value of x, so that eliminates this and this because these do not have a -1 in them. The domain should include -1, so we're going to throw out these two answers and just consider these two. Okay? Now, that's my first point. As we move to the right and go up, if we move to the right, we're back at the 0 for the x. We're still up 3, and then we're going to go up to 4, and then we're going to go up to 5. Okay? My domain should have, my point has 0, 5. My domain should have the number 0 in it. So here we had a domain of -1. -1's in a domain because of this point. 0 is in a domain because of this point. So that doesn't really help. Okay? We still don't have a difference between C and D. The only difference is 2 and 3. So let's go ahead, go 1 to the right. That's 1, 5, and then go down 4, 3, 2. So 2 is in the range, but 1 is in the domain. 1 is our domain. Well, okay, so I still don't have a difference here because they both have a 1. So let's go over to this point. I'm going to go from 1 to what? 2. Okay. This point right here is 2 to the right and up 2. Go over here to 3. Now we're 3 to the right and up 2. And then we start heading upward now. 3 to the right and up 3. 3, watch, count with me. 1, 2, 3 to the right and up where? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the point 3, 4. Go up to 3, 5 and 3, 6. Okay? We're not looking at the number 6. We're looking at the domain, which is the x values. We should have the domain. The domain should contain the number 3. So that eliminates this answer. So we're going to pick D as my domain. Okay? This graph has a domain of -1, 0, 1, and 3.